Hi, good day everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Joshua Pacubas and I'm with
James then.
and today we're honored to have one of the La Salle University's alumni with us. Through this interview, we'll get to know their journey, how their time at LSU shaped their career, how they live out LaSallian values in their profession, and the advice they can share with students like us as we navigate our own paths. So let's give a warm welcome to Sir Gian Rodriguez. Before we dive into the questions, Sir Gian, can you please share a brief background about your education and career?
All right. So good evening. I'm Coach Gian. First of all, I'm 110, no? Graduate ako ng 2016. AB Sports Studies and now I'm currently coaching sa Xavier School ng fencing and also doing a fitness coaching in Search Fitness and Lifestyle.
Coach Gian, how did your time at De La Salle University shape your career path today?
Basically, I just used my undergrad education, which is the sports studies, includes sports science as well, and then more or less doing the job that I think na mag-excel ako, which is coaching. Although part din kasi ako before ng LaSalle fencing team, so then part also ng national team. So I continue to teach fencing also. So how did your time at LaSalle shape your career path? Syempre, ano naman tayo din eh, more on research, no? Uh, each and every aspect naman ng career, we do research. Not just kung ano lang yung pinag-aralan natin during our college days. We learn more and more each and every time para mag-excel sa career na pinili natin.
With that po, Coach, what motivated you naman to pursue your current career path po?
Same answer kasi syempre to use my undergrad na specialization which is sports. And also talagang athletic talaga career guy, fitness guy. So doon ako nag-focus.
Given naman po yung LS values or Lasallian values that you gained during your time in the LSU, as a Lasallian po, how do you embody faith, zeal for service, and communion in mission in your current profession?
Alright. So dito naman more on service. I do believe if you're doing a job that's you're willing to give for free, yun talaga yun eh. Kasi ang service mo dito, it's not just paying you to reach their goals, pero yung pinaka dito kasi is to help them achieve it no matter what.
With that naman rin po ulit, what's your belief in the certain qualities or values that distinguishes us Lasallians in the profession in that industry po?
So what makes us different? Definitely yung yung confidence sa sarili. Tingin ko kasi pag lasalista ka yung confidence mo mataas eh. Especially in the industry, you need to believe in yourself first before they start believing you.
Okay, thank you for that answer po, Coach. Okay, so for the next question, think of a challenging time in your life or career, and how did the Lasallian education and values help you overcome such obstacles?
Again, as I said, in our industry, it's very competitive. No? There are a lot of coaches, especially sa fitness. Sa fencing, medyo konti. Pero sa fitness kasi, madami talaga. No? So there's a season na wala. There's a season na madami. So in this case, ang naalala ko kasi sa Lasal also, you don't stop. The company needs you. Like the business needs you.
Okay. What advice do you have for students like us who may feel lost or naliligaw when it comes to their career?
As much as possible, pursue the career na kinuha nyo ng college. So you can use it, di ba? And for sure, you have the basic knowledge of it or advanced pa sa outside world, outside college, sa totoong sa career. Yun yung kailangan mo ipakita sa kanila na iba ka kasi galing kang Lasal. Believe in yourself because you're a Lasallian.
Okay, understood po. And then related to what you said about parang, having some idea on what college degree program na you're taking. For you po, when did you know that you were on the right path?
Again, gawin niyo yung trabaho na kaya niyong ibigay ng pre. Kasi hindi na kayo magtatrabaho each and every day. Pero I'm not saying this na you do it for free or charity. No? That's not it. Pero if you love what you do and you're very passionate about it, hindi ka mapapagod.
And for the next question, what keeps you motivated when the workload becomes too heavy or when you feel too tired or drained from work?
What keeps you motivated when the work is heavy? Di mag-stop ka, mag-pause ka. Think of it, pahinga ka konti. I-enjoy mo yon yung week na yon na magpapahinga ka, and then, again, sa susunod na week, come back 100% again, Monday, ganun.
Yeah, just make sure then to rest.
Actually, Coach, I think ang nakuha ko po from all of your answers kanina, you've centered your vocation around service po kasi. So, I think that's something that you also carried rin po. Kasi LaSalle also centered his mission about service, like giving education po to children. So,
yeah, di ba? Oo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Opo, Coach. Something you can add po do sa question kanina, I believe. So, ayun po. Thank you so much, Coach Gian, for your time and for sharing your insights and experiences. It's inspiring to hear how your journey has been shaped by the Lasallian values and how you continue to live them out po in your profession. So thank you for everyone. Thank you, James. We hope this conversation has given you valuable guidance and inspiration. Thank you.